Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, want to find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, after addressing, you know what I mean, the fact that he has a grandchild on the way, he must also take the point or the moment to point out the fact, say, yo, there's a, I don't know, a vibe of bad mind amongst some fans of some artists and some artists himself. Now, him say, same so, we no washing them out for Movado, son. Because bad mind saturate the very fiber and existence. Some statements start forward out, viewers and subscribers. Some only statements start forward out after the story broke that. You know what I mean? Little Addy, I expect him first born child. Now, look who say this. Look who say this. First and foremost, we not know parents. Nor are you her parents. Majority of us, we know our parents are chiming yet. You know what I mean? They're not saying nothing about the situation. Them, of course, are also in the know. Them know what I want. But in point out the facts are same, so people have some things to say about Vybz youth. The facts the teacher do, I take the step for defend also Vybz youth, knowing how Movado reacted over the post of the picture of him and little Vybz. Now, look how dancehall, I go pre and spin it and I go say, yo, wait. Now I point out the facts and no matter how the teacher go out time with for proof. So watch you know, you have some people who are trying to paint a certain picture about Vybz Kartel and his endeavors. Like say yo, who. And some of them, the artists, you have artists who are involved in the thing because Movado overreact. We now go around and Movado overreact to the post. You know what I mean? He probably feel away and in him feelings about certain situation. Yeah, it's a touchy subject. Because I'm over foreigner, so them talk. So them talk over Florida, now we talk, so them talk over Florida side. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a subject where him probably in him feelings about. You know what I mean? But him overreact. Because the teacher never say nothing out time way to make him feel like, you know, I'm not when that pre, but people probably know me and tell him about a thing. And on the same thing right now, the teacher point out, say, yo, the bad mind. The fact say, yo, when you see other people achieve things where when might want to achieve, when you not achieve it. When you might see people live them life in a particular way where you the one can have the freedom to live your life in that particular way, but you can't do it. And the way you choose now to talk about the subject is to say, you're watching that? That wrong. Them should not do that. Them should do this. Them should do it. Yes, I agree. You're all entitled to our opinions. You know what I mean? But you have to remember, and not everything we say, people have to take into fact. And other than that, you can't tell people how to live their lives. But the teacher defend Vada son. And people are going to say, oh, is that something Vada should have do? More than in a post, I talk negative things about people who are big up the youth. You should have big up the youth some more. And as I would say, it might be an emotional subject. You probably don't want to talk about it as much. You know the thing go. But at the same time, I know him that probably feel good for know say you're him far there road and I big him up. Even if I hear him ear back on the show, I ear black on the show. It'll be a good feeling for know say yo, you know, who they are road I say yo, I show the support to him. Food for thought. Just definitely food for thought. But we can see what dancehall are going to react and what some fans are going to say. Because some fans like to paint a negative picture no matter how the teacher go out time way to show them say no, one dancehall. And at the end of the day, we might do this for your entertainment, but we are also people. And when we resolve it on a personal level, how good na the music, even if we not the features, we not pre you. Not pre you. The teacher have no reason for pre them. He might leave. If you don't see nobody in front of you, then how you gonna pre them? Remember, he might do the numbers, he might lead. Forefront. So how him fear pre them? If he might pre them, he might fear look the opposite direction. And him could not do that. Him could not do that. So when I say Vybz Kartel I pre them, I point out though, say yo, you have something to go on. You know what I mean? In a dancehall music way. They might try for those make Vybz Kartel look like say yo, you do. You know? The artists we are go around and do this and do that and array. From one particular spot. They don't make it yo. You see how far some people willing to push the boundaries. From behind the bars, they must say the artists are go round and start things with other artists from behind the bars. And them artists are their road. That is how far them willing to go. Will you stand in the fence and point out, say, what you know? These statements are unfounded. Allegations at best. Cannot be proven. We can't even say a theory. We cannot say allegations at best. Statements of some people are not talking and hope somebody run with. Hope say them statements can be echoed. We are point out the discrepancies. We are point out, so watch them. That's what them say. But look at the facts. They all that add up. You can't add up. And if the numbers not add up, then it's wrong. If the numbers not add up, then it's wrong. That's what I can say. Congratulations are still in order for Lick add. You know what I mean? Dante. Freedom is a must. What they say thing there. Freedom is a must, fam. I know you personally about the situation we are going through. No wish them situation left on nobody. So, freedom is a must. Go on hold strong. Do you have to do. Forward out, you know, make wiser choices. You know? We don't make same mistakes. You know, because we learn from situations, elevations. You know what I mean? So, when you forward out, we know we'll be a bigger you. Wiser than the you were going in the situation. You know? So hope you learn wisdom from what going on. You know? Pay attention to where you're supposed to pay attention to. And realize, say, yo, even some people with them might tell you, say, no, with you. Because of your situation, remember, say, yo, everybody will about your situation with you. Regardless of who your father is in a dancehall music. He is a citizen of the nation. In one nation. No matter what they tell you, say, you don't know who run dancehall. We all know who run dancehall. Post make, you know what I mean? The world see. Talk to me in the comment section. I know what you feel about the reasoning. Facts of the teacher say when say. Facts of the teacher mention Barderson, even though he do it this time without calling him name. That is also a twist in the vibe too. Do it without calling him name. If a name get called, Vado. Let's see how Vado will respond. Let's see how Vado will respond. The teacher mentioning his father and his son name are referencing his son in another post. Like he want to tell the teacher, say the teacher can't say nothing. Who is him to tell the teacher what the teacher can't say? Worse when you not say nothing negative. Vado you can't do. Motherfucker can't tell the man them run here for this. I'm gonna see how you ever do that. But talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. I know how you feel about the news. Yes, again we have to talk about it. Little of the youth. You know what I mean? We have to talk about the youth and I see how bring forth the youth them. So like little of they say right now, see them. And they say move them. Like that's have to go on. Like I go show them over. You know what I mean? And what not whether it was planned, whether you know, whatever the case be. Youth. And the truth is, we celebrate life and the news of life. So, you know, I'm not more than that to say about it. But the comment section is open for you. Talk to me in the comment section. And for those who are new to the channel, just have passed through, but don't like the reason, of course, don't like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, put it on all. Comment section open 24/7 now, lock. Like icon, there, drop a like, share icon, close proximity, share the vlog. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, tell them sister and brother them. Check out the channel, join the discussion, join the reason. That is via the comment section. Be respectful and guide. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, the comments, and your opinion. Anything you want to say. You know what I mean? Yeah, we no response. Whether you're a naysayer or a supporter, talk we have to talk. You know what I mean? And we can contain the reason via the comment section. So keep that in mind. So talk what you have to say. Yeah, man, I'll move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments, of course, I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.